Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to check your prompt history in Wombo Dream. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to check the prompt history in Wombo Dream. Well, initially all you guys have to do is simply click on this plus button right here that is just in the middle. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, you can simply create your artwork. It can be text, image or avatar based. For now, let's simply focus on the text or image one. Well, in whatever case, you will see a button like this that says prompt history. Click on it. And from here, this thing will open up right from the bottom. And from here, as you can see, these are the recent prompts or simply your prompt history. And guys, that is it. That's how we check your prompt history in Wombo Dream. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.